Hi everybody. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a deleted YouTube channel. The process is simple and does not take too much time. I will show you two different methods that you can try. One of them should help you get your deleted channel back. So let's begin step by step. The first method starts with opening a new tab in your browser. In the search bar, type youtube.com/support and press enter. This will take you to the official YouTube Help Center. On the top left corner of the page, you will see three horizontal lines. Click on these lines to open the menu. From the menu, scroll all the way down and click on Submit Feedback. Now a feedback form will open on the right side of your screen. In this form, choose the second option that says General Help Center Experience. Then click Next and wait a moment. You will now see several feedback categories. Choose the one that says Something Else. This allows you to write your own message. In the message box, explain that your YouTube channel was deleted by mistake and you want to recover it. Be polite and include details like the name of the channel, the reason why it was deleted, and most importantly, mention the Google account that was linked to the channel. It also helps to take a screenshot of what happens when you try to log in. For example, if it says channel deleted, take a screenshot and attach it to the feedback. Before sending your message, look for a checkbox that says, "We may email you for more information or updates." Make sure to check this box so the YouTube team can contact you. Now, click on Send to submit your feedback. After some time, YouTube will get back to you. If they can verify your request, they will help you recover the deleted channel. If this first method does not work for your case, don't worry. Let's move on to the second method. Open another new tab and type myaccount.google.com/brand-accounts in the search bar. This will take you to the brand account page for your Google account. Here, you can view and manage your brand accounts. If your YouTube channel was linked to a brand account, you might see it listed here. Look for the section that says Deleted Accounts. If you see your deleted channel in that list, click on it. Then, you will see the option to restore the account. Click on that and follow the steps to bring your channel back. Since I have not deleted any channels recently, I can't show this part on screen. But if your account appears there, this method should work. These are the two ways you can use to recover a deleted YouTube channel.